here Universal Studios in Singapore, located in Sentosa Island. Entrance ordinary ticket price 81 Singapore dollar per person. If you want to cover all rides on time, you will have to buy Express Unlimited Pass, and price is 120 Singapore dollar. Open from 11 am to 6 pm. The entire Universal Studios is divided into 7 theme parks. We already published 2 videos on Universal Studios, and this is our third video and sharing with you different types of rides. This is Battlestar Galactica, Human vs. Cylon, dueling roller coasters. The coaster's maximum speed 90 km per hour and 42.5 meters in height. The tallest dueling coasters in the world. It is our best thrilling ride. Mobile phone camera are not allowed in this ride due to high speed.
We hope you enjoyed your tour. All of us at the Jurassic Park Rapid Adventure hope to see you again soon. And enjoy